Welcome. If you want to unlock more features and boost your account security on Roblox, verifying your email address is a must. With the latest update, the process is easier than ever. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to verify your email address on Roblox using your PC. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on the gear icon to open the drop-down menu, then select Settings from the list. Now you're in your account settings. Click on the account info tab if you're not already there. Here, you'll see your account details, including your email address. If your email isn't verified, you'll notice a Verify button right next to it. Click on Verify next to your email address to start the process. Roblox will immediately send a verification email to the address you provided. Open a new tab or window and head to your email inbox. Look for an email from Roblox. Sometimes it may take a minute or two to arrive, and don't forget to check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once you find the email, open it and look for the Verify email button inside. Click on this button, and you'll be redirected back to Roblox. That's it, your email address is now verified. Verifying your email gives you access to important features like account recovery and two-step verification, helping you keep your Roblox account safe and secure. If you ever need to update your email or repeat the process, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Roblox experience with the added peace of mind.